Hi everyone, this is Ganesh here. Today we are talking about how you can use your project with unlimited tokenization, free to use. You can use unlimited data and get the response unlimited. So how you can do that? So Ollama is the platform that you can download your model and use it in your local system and use it in your project. So with that, with the help of this, you can easily implement your project and you will get the response from uh, there. So it's a very easy way that you can just download your Ollama. You should required Ollama into your system, and then you can get the then you can get the uh, then you can get your model into your system. So you can download that and you can use that in your system. So that is the way that you can secure your data. Also you can secure your projects, code, everything that you are that you want to. So let's get started. How you can download your Ollama into your system. So that's a very basic. You can get that from the web itself. So you can just go here and search for Ollama download. Ollama download. So uh, so this is for Mac. So I'm just doing that. You can click on the Ollama. You can copy these you uh, you can copy this text and go to the terminal, and here you can just paste it, right? So this is the this is the thing that you can easily achieve it. You can after downloading this, you will after downloading this you will get the interface, so which model you want to download. Then after that you can if you paste it here, so Ollama will be download in your system, and then here from here you need to download the modules as well. So if let's suppose you have the modules, different modules, here you can see that different models you have. So let's suppose GLM 5.2, here we have in the GLM. So we have a lot of models here. You can see that Nematron 3.5 Lightning is nice. So it's a latest one. So in that video we are talking about Llama 2. uh, it's a simple model, and uh, simple to download as well. In any PC you can download that very easily. So that's why I'm saying that, because there is something, some people don't have the configuration or anything, might be stuck in the project. So that's why I'm saying that Llama 2 is the best way to start your project first. And it's a nice parameters as well: 7 billion parameters, 13 billion parameters, and 70 billion parameters, you can see. So from now, for now, if you have a configuration issue, you can download the 7 billion parameter Llama 2, and that's a very easy one. Okay. You want to just start your project, so that's why I'm saying that if you have a capability to download a lot of modules, or you have a nice configuration in your system, so you can go for the 70 billion, you can go for Nematron. There are a lot of models available in Ulama, and that's a free one. So you can download that very easily. Then here into your terminal, you can just type Ollama run and your model. So let's suppose I am having Llama 2. Okay, so I'm just saying that, and here I already downloaded that. But if you didn't download it, so just type it Ollama run your model, so it will automatically download your model in background, and after the downloading it will start like this. So you have this. So if you want to go back, so you can just do the buy. And if you want to check how much models we have into our system, so you can just uh, type the Ollama list. So I have, for the demonstrate purpose, I just downloaded the Llama 2, which is 3.8, and it's a pretty simple one. So that's a 7 billion parameter that you can use. I just wanted to check whether that is good enough to do that or not. So this is the point that we can use in terminal. Let's suppose, and here after that uh, you can go to that URL, so where it is downloading. Let's suppose you have downloaded the Ollama, right? So in which URL it is working, so we need to understand that. So it's a HTTP 1.127.0.0.1 double dot 11434. So that's a constant URL that you can see that Ollama is running on. So if you paste it here, it's saying that Ollama is running. It means that URL is working fine, and you can get the response from here. So how we can start the project? So here I have imported the URL lib request because I want to get the response from that website. So which website? I'm talking about HTTP, the Ollama website that I have downloaded Ollama in my local. So I want to get the response from there, and JSON to upload the payload and get the response from there. So I want a JSON in my project. So that import I did. Then after that, for the URL API chart is because we are connecting our API like this. So we required that to this URL. Then after that, payload model, whatever you have downloaded the model. Let's suppose you downloaded the different one, Llama 3 or a Llama 3.1. So you can just mention that whatever the list you have in your Ollama, you can put it here. Then after the message, you can put the role user, because I'm mentioning it's a very basic project that I'm talking to you. You can go for the system prompt and user prompt, whatever you want. So this is for demonstration purpose. You can increase your capability, you can explore the things. Then after that, you can add your content, what prompt you want to explain to that uh, particular model, and what exactly the response you want. So you can just use the prompt over here. Then after that, you can upload the data. So data we need to add in JSON. So I have added that in a payload. And then in the request, so we are requesting to the URL. So here I'm saying that this is the URL I want to request. This is the data I have. So what data I'm saying that payload plus the uh, payload I have uploaded that in data. Okay, so I'm saying that data is equal to data, and headers are the content type application.json. So JSON we required, and we are so our data is JSON format. We are posting into the JSON, and we are getting the response from JSON. So that's the thing we required from there. And method is post. So we are posting that first, and we are getting the response after that. So here we have that. And then after that, URL lib, the response as a response, and the status code we are mentioning here. So we need to understand whether our request is posting or not. So uh, to understand this, to understand this, we want a status. So let's suppose we have a 200, 201, or anything different to 401. So that is the responses we have uh, for the API. So you will get that one. Okay. Then after that, you will get the response. So here we have different responses over here. uh, so if you are mentioning your prompt, it will get into the loop. Your response will get into the loop. So we have a lot of responses, and in that responses we need to get one text at a time and make it as a answer. So here we have created like this. So response, and we are running that into the loop in line. And then line we have saying that we need to decode that JSON payload, JSON loads. And then after that, these decoded lines. So whatever the prompt we have, it's a decoded line, and we are adding into the chunks. And then content we are creating, which is the chunks dot get message dot get content. So we have a JSON format, and in that JSON we have a message and content. So it will loop the message and content and get the response or get the content from there, and it will print into the content. So that way we have like this. And if you print that, so if you print that, it will get the response from you. So if you want to check what exactly response you will get, so you can just put instead of these content, you can just put the response in a print, and you will get the what exactly you are getting the responses. So if you if you see, there is a lot of message you'll get, and in that message you will get the content, lot of contents. Let's suppose you have 50 strings response you will get. So 50 for each responses you will get into the response. So that's why we are looping that, and we are getting the response from there. So you can whatever I'm saying, it's little bit confusion you were having. So you can just put the response in a print. So print the response, you'll get the answer, and you can see that what exactly I'm saying, and you can explore that. Okay, so let's get start. So I'm just running the my Python, and here I have get the response. So here I'm getting the 200 response. Okay, so that means we are good. And then I'm getting the, I'm just AI and don't have personal details. So what I'm saying that and this is for fun purpose only. I'm saying that could you please give me some details about you. So I'm just saying that anything you want to say or something like this. So that way you can install your Ollama into your system, and it's a very easy way that you can use that in your project. So for now, this is from my side. If you have any question, you can just put that into the comment section. I will add that into the next video, and see you soon, guys. If you have any doubts or any concern, you can just comment it out. So thank you so much for watching this video.